Qatar is becoming one of the most exciting study destinations in the Middle East. With the world-class universities, modern campuses, and generous scholarship for international students, and the best part, some of these opportunities can be accessed without IELTS, depending upon your academic background and the university's policies. Let's start with Qatar University, the country's largest public institution. Qatar University offers several scholarships like the International Student Scholarship, the Outstanding Performance Scholarship, and the Talent Scholarship. And while English short programs normally require an English test score, many applicants can request an IELTS waiver if they completed their previous education in English medium institutions. Another option is the University of Doha for Science and Technology. They offer academic merit awards and financial aid packages. International students applying for technology, computing, business, or engineering programs may submit alternative English proficiency documents, and in certain cases, an IELTS score may not be required at all. So how does it work? For many students, getting a scholarship without IELTS depends upon three key factors. Your previous education was fully in English. You can provide an English medium instruction certificate. The program accepts alternative tests and internal assessments instead of IELTS. Qatar University scholarships and many others may be within reach even without IELTS, opening the door to new academic and career opportunities in the heart of the Gulf.